Hello and welcome to Immigration Insight, the podcast where we dive into the complexities of U.S. immigration and provide clarity on the issues that matter most. I'm your host, Harry, and today we're discussing a topic that's critical for international students in the United States, SEVIS termination, why it happens, and how to address it. To help us unpack this issue, we have Shah Peerally, an immigration attorney with years of experience helping students navigate challenges in their immigration journey. Welcome back to the show, Shah.
Thank you, Harry. It's always great to be here and to share insights with your listeners. SEVIS termination is a serious issue, and understanding it is crucial for students who want to protect their status in the US.
Let's start with the basics. For those who might not be familiar, what is SEVIS and why is it so important?
SEVIS stands for the Student and Exchange Visitor Information System. It's a database used by the US government to track and monitor international students and exchange visitors while they are in the US. Maintaining an active SEVIS record is essential because it reflects your legal status as an international student. If SEVIS is terminated, it means your legal status is no longer valid, which can lead to significant consequences, including deportation.
That sounds serious. So what are some common reasons why a student's SEVIS record might be terminated?
There are several reasons, Harry. Some of the most common include failure to maintain full-time enrollment. Students must enroll in a full course of study unless they have an authorized reduced course load. Unauthorized employment. Working without authorization is a major violation. Falling out of status. This could happen if you fail to follow the conditions of your visa, such as attending the wrong school or failing to notify changes like an address update. Academic dismissal. If a student is dismissed for poor academic performance, their SEVIS record could be terminated. Failure to report OPT or CPT employment. For students on optional practical training, OPT, or curricular practical training, CPT, timely reporting of employment details is critical. Violation of US laws. Any legal violation can also lead to termination.
Those are some clear triggers. Now let's talk about solutions. What can students do if their SEVIS record is terminated?
First and foremost, don't panic, but act quickly. Here's what students can do. 1. Contact your designated school official, or DSO. The DSO can explain the reason for termination and guide you on possible remedies. 2. Request reinstatement. If the termination was due to an honest mistake or unforeseen circumstances, you may apply for reinstatement with the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS. 3. Transfer to another SEVP-certified school. If reinstatement isn't possible, transferring to a new school that issues a new I-20 might be an option. 4. Leave the U.S. and re-enter. In some cases, departing the US and re-entering on a new visa might be the best route. And 5. Seek legal help. Immigration cases can be complex, and professional guidance can make all the difference in resolving the issue.
That's really helpful. Shah, for students who need legal help, how can they get in touch with you and your team?
They can visit our website at www.peerallylaw.com or call us directly at 510-742-5887. Our team focuses on immigration matters and has extensive experience in helping students with SEVIS-related issues.
Thanks, Shah. Before we wrap up, do you have any advice for international students to avoid SEVIS termination in the first place?
Absolutely. My advice is to stay informed and proactive. Maintain regular communication with your DSO, follow the rules of your visa, and never hesitate to ask for help if you're unsure about something. Prevention is always better than dealing with the consequences later.
Wise words. That's all for today's episode of Immigration Insight. A big thank you to Shah Peerally for joining us. To our listeners, if you have more questions about SEVIS or other immigration topics, feel free to reach out to the Shah Peerally Law Group or tune in to our next episode. Until next time, stay informed and stay compliant. Goodbye.